Hello guys, this is Karthik. In this video, we're going to talk about camera noise. So take a look at this picture. This is a really simple picture captured on an Android smartphone sporting a 13 megapixel camera. So let's zoom into this picture a bit. Zooming into this picture reveals some small dots which is nothing but camera noise. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what camera noise actually depends on, and I'll give you a simple solution to overcome this problem. The first thing that the camera noise actually depends on is nothing but the aperture. At least once in your lifetime, you must have come across the term aperture and numbers like f2.0, f1.8, and so on. So, aperture is nothing but the diameter of your camera lens. So, the bigger the number, the smaller the size of the camera sensor. So in terms of camera noise, if the size of your camera sensor is large, obviously the amount of light which enters through it will also be in large amounts. So the amount of noise which will be in your photo that you'll click will be in less amounts. This is because the large amount of light which enters through the camera sensor will lead to a more detailed photo. And the second thing that noise depends on is nothing but the ISO or the light sensitivity. Most of us in low lighting conditions are forced to bump up the ISO in an attempt to produce brighter images. But you must also keep in mind that increasing the ISO would lead to uh, photos which have more noise in them. So you must go for a low ISO value to reduce the amount of noise in your image. But you must also keep in mind that reducing the ISO value will lead to reduced shutter speeds, which will lead to blurry pictures. If you reduce the ISO value, like say 100, and you're trying to capture the image of a running person, the reduced shutter speed will lead to a blurry image. So you must trade between shutter speed and noise.